Okay, quick progress update on the Funky Phantom. Was doing the 727 to 42RH A500 overdrive swap, all that technical jargon. So I got the kit from PATC to utilize the lockup converter and to the ability to have the overdrive come on and off with the flick of a button. And just wanted to show you the setup. Finally got around to doing it. So it includes, if you can see, I guess that's a 90-degree adapter along with some line and solenoid. 44 psi is for the overdrive button. And am I getting that? Yeah, and this is the 50 psi. Let me see if the light is better. The 50 psi is for the torque converter, lockup torque converter. 50 psi to 44 is for the overdrive button. According to PATC's wiring diagram, that's how you do it. And come across here, if you get the kit from PATC, it includes this connector that I got plugged in. So it's 3 wires. I know the middle is power, and I think the first one goes to the overdrive solenoid on the other side, and the other one goes to the torque converter. And you give the switch power, the middle, with a fuse. So just to recap what I had to physically do to get this in. See if I can get better lighting underneath here. You had to clearance the factory. There we go. You had to clearance the factory, the top part of the bracket that comes off of where the torsion bars are / transmission mount. And I forget where I get the cross member from, but you go to the videos, and I addressed this cross member situation in that video. The only thing I had to do was box it up and weld them out, and it bolted in. Use the Chevy style type of transmission mount, and that's that. Put the head on in place. Had to disconnect the tie rod ends to get the header actually on, because the tie rod ends and Centerlink, it goes through the header. And starters in place, wires are on, and that's it. Just gonna keep chugging away at this project until it's completed. But that's it for now. Just wanted to go over the overdrive solenoid and connection.